Hello everyone. Today we are going to discuss about the concept of limits and derivatives, chapter 11, class 11 mathematics. Let us start this concept. Meaning of x tends to a or x tends to a or x approaches a. X is a variable. The expected value of the function is dictated by the point to the left of a point defines the left hand limit of the function at the point. Similarly, right hand limit, it can be changed so that its value comes nearer and nearer to a. That means 0 less than x minus a less than delta and modulus x not equals to a. What is meant by neighborhood? Set of all real numbers lying between a minus delta and a plus delta is called the neighborhood of a. Neighborhood of a equals to open bracket a minus delta comma a plus delta. X belongs to in this interval. Limit of a function at a point is the common value of the left and right limit if they coincides. Left limit of a function x equals to a. X approaches a from left hand side of a. The function fx tends to L, a definite number. Likewise, the right limit of fx equals to a when x approaches from right hand side of a. Function fx tends to L, a definite number. Therefore, if left hand limit of a function at equals to a equals to right hand limit of a function x equals to a, the limit of function fx at x equals to a exists. It is denoted by limit x tends to infinity fx. For function f and g, the following holds. The two different functions having same limit, we can add both the functions. Likewise, we can multiply both the function, we can divide both the function. Following are the sum of the standard limits. Limit x tends to a x raised to n minus a raised to n upon x minus a equals to n raised to n minus 1. Limit x tends to 0 sin x upon x equals to 1. Limit x tends to 0 1 minus cos x upon x equals to 0. Limit x tends to 0 tan x by x equals to 1. Limit x tends to 0 sin inverse x upon x equals to 1. Likewise, tan inverse x upon x equals to 1. Limit x tends to 0, a raised to x minus 1 upon x equals to log a. Now let us define derivative. Derivative of a function f at a is defined by f dash of a equals to limit h tends to 0 f of x a plus h minus f a upon h. Derivative of a function f at any point of x is defined by f dash x d by dx of fx equals to limit h tends to 0 f of x plus h minus fx upon h. For function u and v, the following holds. Say u plus v, the derivative equals to, separately we can find the derivative of both the function in addition and subtraction. Likewise, the multiplication rule, one function is a constant and the next one is must be derivated, and likewise the second one is derivated. Like here you can see that d by dx of uv equals to u constant dv by dx plus v constant du by dx. What about the division rule? Here it is a division rule of u and v equals to denominator square, denominator constant in numerator, derivative of numerator minus numerator constant, derivative of denominator. Now next topic, if we can see that, let us study the standard derivative formulas. X raised to n equals to n raised to s minus 1. Derivative of sin x equal to cos x. Derivative of cos x equal to minus sin x. Derivative of tan x equal to sec square x. Derivative of cot x equals to minus cos x square x. Derivative of sec x equals to sec x tan x. Derivative of cosec x equals to minus cosec x cot x.